For this challenge, I am explaining to Julie how these reasons are relevant with dealing with 21st century skills and why. So here's a list of 5 things I could come up with, explaining why they're relevant and why you need to be digitally literate in this century. So communicating through GPS, you need to know where you are, and everybody uses GPS systems nowadays, and it's on your phone. And knowing if you're close, knowing if you're far, knowing where and how to input a specific destination that you need to go to is very important in this era. Collaboration in group projects on sites, so going through different types of websites with a group project and going half and half, and that this has been a need and has been very relevant throughout many years, and kids are always going to need to use this. So that's another thing that's very relevant in this century. Also, critical thinking for your job applications, resumes, basically everything for a job is online. There's so many people that if you're going to apply for a job, you do it through a website, through that company, or specific job websites, and going through that is kind of a rough process, but it's something that you need to do because everybody will need a job. Communicating through teacher and school. So just like Purdue, you need to communicate through Blackboard and Passport and Pearson and all different kinds of sites for that specific class. So that is something that is very relevant and very needed to succeed in school and succeed in life, basically, because you're always going to need to use it. And that's not just for colleges, that's also for work again and high school, because everything is just online nowadays. And critical thinking with devices. So if something goes wrong on your phone, you're instantly gonna want to fix it because you have to be on your phone. Everybody basically lives through their phone or their email. And when something doesn't go correctly or smoothly, or something's slowing down, or something just changes instantly on your phone, we instantly think that we have to fix it right away. And knowing how to do that is very beneficial in this day and age. So if we can work through phones instead of going to a shop and having experts do it, then that saves us time and saves us that hassle of somebody else fixing it, when if we knew how to do it, it would just benefit us a lot easier. So these are some things that are topics that are relevant when dealing with 21st century skills and being digitally literate in this century.